loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is PRIYAKSNAILS. So guys, as you can see, I've got some Born Pretty PR goodies to share with you guys, and as you know, they always come sealed and in their nice little boxes with the ingredients and all the information that you need to know. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. This is their Aurora extension hand gel. This is the NSG 19, which is a super beautiful one. I do have a few of the other colors, but I really want to try this one. So yeah, really excited for this one as well. So yeah guys, this is their non-stick Aurora hand gel. These are absolutely beautiful, so definitely give them a try if you haven't already. And we're just also going to go through the other gel colors that I've got. I'm so excited for these PR goodies because I was definitely looking forward to it. So guys, I was just showing you the back of the box as well. It was just giving you all the information about the gel polish. So when I opened this one, I was just like, oh my god, this blue is to die for. It's absolutely stunning. I also got two other jellies type things. So I am going to show you the swatches. I am just literally going to go through the bottles, opening them up, and then we will move on to like swatching the colors and the solid extension gel. So this one guys, the super cat eye, I did this one 2 PRs ago, so I'll link the video in the cards or description and you can go and check that video out if you haven't already. So yeah, this is another one of their jelly colors guys. Thank you so much Born Pretty as well for sending out these awesome products. I absolutely love Born Pretty. They're so affordable as well. So guys, if you haven't tried out Born Pretty, do so, and I have like discount codes and everything like that will be linked in the description box. So yeah, I got like these gorgeous jelly colors to try. Last time I did, I think, a pink and a turquoise, so I was really intrigued for these ones. I will show you like swatching them with one coat, and then now I'm just doing the second coat. So I'm just gonna let you watch guys, and I'll pop back in a little while. Okay, that wasn't that long, so I'm popping back in because oh my god guys, do you see this one? This one's like a milky jelly color, like a milky jelly orange, and I believe my other one, like JN, I can't remember the first one I showed you, but that, yeah, that yellow one, it's more like a glass jelly to me. That was just quick swatch of all three. I will show you them properly again at the end, so don't worry. And yeah guys, don't worry about that bit. I was just getting too happy popping the little bubble in the gel. So I'm just taking some out with my cuticle tool, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it at the back on the like the nail tip, just like to show you what it looks like. Obviously you can use your gloves and stuff like that, but it does say, I don't know, I just don't want it sticking to my gloves and it's just a small tip, so I just pat that in, do at your own discretion and stuff, read the ingredients. So these are all the products guys. I'm just showing you the top coat because I am going to top coat them with Born Pretty Super Top Coat, which I love, and I definitely need another bottle because I've literally run out. But yeah guys, I hope you can see all the jelly colors. I hope you can see like the difference in what I'm trying to say with the like milky jelly and the glass jellies, and you can definitely build up the color guys. So I'm really happy with this PR package. Thank you so much Born Pretty, and again guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I can't wait to catch you all in my next one. Have an amazing day or night. I love you guys. Bye.